Chemistry chapter 20, electrochemistry, video 1. Obviously we are talking about electricity and how electricity is related to chemical reactions that take place, and how reduction and oxidation results in the transfer of electrons. That is basically what we are going to learn about. Now in chapter 7 and in O-levels you have learned about half equations. So I suggest, if you have any difficulty doing the questions that are listed here in the first and the second questions, you will have to refer to chapter 7. If you need any further updates or any further explanation, please do raise questions, then that will be done. So in redox reactions, redox means reduction and oxidation, they both take place simultaneously. You have to remember this term oil rig. So basically, oil means oxidation is loss of electrons. We are talking about oxidation is loss of electrons, reduction is gain of electrons. So remember this. And if something is losing electrons, so that means it is getting oxidized. If it is getting oxidized, it is a reducing agent, right? It is a reducing agent. So here it says the species or atoms, ions or molecules losing electrons is being oxidized. It acts as a reducing agent. So then the species gaining electrons, that is reduction, is being reduced. And if it is gaining electrons, it is being reduced. It acts as an oxidizing agent. What gets reduced is the oxidizing agent. What gets oxidized is the reducing agent, right? So that's the most important thing that you need to understand. I suggest you write these two sentences to understand what reduction and oxidation is. Write these two equations as sentences. The species, atom, ion or molecule losing electrons is being oxidized. It acts as a reducing agent. Then the species gaining electrons is being reduced. It acts as an oxidizing agent. So though you have to write down those two in your own words. So just copy this down, because there's nothing much to it. And after that you have to do question number 1 and 2.